How to fix Instagram Messenger update option not showing in less than 1 minute. So all what you want to do, guys, is very simple. Open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So let's wait a few seconds, it will start loading, and then scroll until you find Instagram. When you find it, click on it like this. After that, you have to click on the power usage details, click on the app launch, and make sure that it's on manage automatically like this. Click OK, and then click down here on this for to stop power analysis. Click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache. Now open the Play Store, search for Instagram and click update, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial.